We'll guide you through how to add a link to your email signature in Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Calendly website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your account icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the options. In the Settings menu, look for the Email Signature section. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Click on Edit to start customizing your email signature. Here, you'll see a text editor where you can type in your signature text. To add a link, highlight the text you want to turn into a link, then click on the chain link icon in the toolbar, which is usually labeled Insert Link. A small window will pop up where you can paste the URL of the link you want to add. Make sure to click OK or Insert after pasting the link to save it. You'll then see the text in your signature turns into a clickable hyperlink. Take a moment to review your signature to ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save to update your email signature. Now your email signature will include the link, and it will be included in any emails you send from Calendly. This can be really handy if you want to direct people to your website, social media, or any other important links. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.